So before we start, here are all the ingredients that we need. First, I mix the three ingredients, the three powder ingredients, and then I mix everything. So that's supposed to be 3 eggs, but I just put 2. And then what I have is an oil that is like butter. I mean a butter that is like oil. And then I mix it by hands to avoid exploding the powder. And then I add some Nutella. So it's fine if it's without the Nutella, but I just find it good, so I don't know, experiment. So then I mix it with machine, the mixer, but I think this is too thick, so and this is really too thick. I think I forgot something. OMG, this is really thick. I think I forgot the water. Yeah, so that's just 50 ml. So yeah, then I mix it again. Now this looks better. Yeah. So mix it well. So give the powder a time to dissolve everything to this liquid. So I guess that's fine. That is a time lapse, so means say that I give it a time to mix it. So this is a form, and I like this form than the metal forms because that has different sizes. So I think I get the right size here. And then I sprinkle the chocolate, the cracked chocolate, yeah, in the top, and then it's ready to bake. I bake it for 60 minutes. That's like an hour. So we will see. Yeah. So see, you see the chocolate on the top? Yeah. That's what I'm talking about here. Yeah. So the moment of truth. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Look at so creamy what is in the center. Oh, I think that's because of the Nutella. But I guess it's fine without the Nutella. Oh god, that's really creamy. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's go back to this part. I think I did it wrong because the brownie sticks really to the molds. It's really hard to take. So I think we better put butter first, the melted butter first into the mold so it's easy to take it out. So then that's the time I pour the mixtures. So I think that's more easy to take it out and cut it. So we will see. So there you go, guys. Here are the brownies. Till next time, thank you for watching.